Hello, this is Jose from Bryant Strong College. I'm going to present my articulation sheet and of my outcomes that I received during my experience at Bryant Strong College. And we're going to start with my class Introduction to Project Management. The outcome that I met in this class it was a recognized management and leadership skills. So outcome this outcome was made because I was required to evaluate a overall success of executed plan regarding to time on task and on a budget. Now, for my another class accounting principle too, I met this outcome is demonstrate a knowledge of numeric measurements within the business environment to make informed decisions. So this outcome was met because I was required to select and utilize appropriate technology complete complete in a real world accounting project that requires the construction of multiple step income statement and classify a balance sheet. Um, this outcome identify and apply the basics function of management such as staffing, planning, organizing, controlling, and leading to the decision-making process. I met this outcome through my class management principles, and this outcome was met because I was required to apply to the five primary function of management: staffing, planning, organizing, controlling, and leading. Um, um, for the class sales and service principles, I met this outcome. Formulate ethical decision making skill that can be applied in the workplace. So I met this outcome because I was required to apply ethical decision in authentic business scenarios. So in this class, I remember I have to see scenarios where I had to apply a lot of decisions ethical decision and stuff. So I really like that project. Um, for my class research and writing, I met utilize appropriate current technology resources to locate and evaluate information needed to accomplish a goal, and then communicate findings in visual, writing, and oral formats. So this outcome was made because I was required um, to develop a support thesis through a granted academic essay that contained an introduction, multiple body paragraph, and a conclusion. Um, for my class macroeconomic, I met two outcomes. They were transfer knowledge, skills, and behaviors acquired through formal and informal learning and life experience to new situation. Also, I met employee strategies for reflection or learning at practice in order to adjust learning process for in continual improvement. So the first outcome that I met it was because I was required to explain basics economic principles and theory. And the second one that I met it was because of I was required to apply macroeconomic theory and basics principle to economic data sets. Um, for the last class, business law and ethics, the outcome that I met it was participating in social academic professional communities for individual growth and to the function as citizen of multicultural world. This outcome was met because I was required to demonstrate a knowledge of numeric measurement within the business environment to make informed decisions. So I met all these outcomes through my classes at Ryan Strong College. I really enjoy all these classes. I learned from these portfolio projects a lot. I met all these outcomes. I've been enjoying this because this is gonna help me to grow, to grow up like as a professional man, as a businessman. That's what I wanna be. Um, so this is a really good experience for me because I know that I'm gonna accomplish all my goals. I know this is gonna help me. All these portfolio projects, they're gonna help me to um, get where I wanna be, where what I wanna accomplish in my life. So my experience at Ryan Sharon College because of all these portfolio projects, all of these outcomes, and they it's gonna help me to get where I wanna be. So thank you so much.